Hello, this is Apple of the Eye, and
For the first time in forever,
there'll be Nick.
and there'll be Sha. Alright, okay, so this is the first time we are VJing together, so it's an honor to have you with
And
me.
it's an honor to be with you. You were interviewing me the last time.
Okay, wow, medyo blushing moment ba dito? Medyo lang.
Okay, so last week we were taken to new heights with Ira's cover of Skyscraper.
Skyscraper. And of course, this time let us welcome our soul sister, Thalia Cuchon. Alright.
So, Talia, would you like to introduce yourself to our viewers?
Okay, hi guys, I'm Talia Kuchan from the College of Business and Accountancy. I'm taking a Bachelor of Science major in Accountancy. I'm in the third year.
Alright, so what are your musical influences? I mean, like, what kind of genres do you like? Any singers in particular that have a great impact on you, your voice and your...
I just love listening to Beyonce, Whitney Houston, and Mariah Carey songs.
Wow. The greatest divas of all time.
Yeah.
Talia will be singing the song My All from Mariah Carey's 1998 album, Butterfly.
And of course, the song talks about how a woman would give her all, try her best to get the man that she wants. And of course, that's talks about kind of woman empowerment as well,
I
right?
know.
Right.
So, before we listen to the song, a moment of silence for all those lost lovers.
Here we have My All.
I'm thinking of you in my sleepless solitude tonight. If it's wrong to love you, then my heart just won't let me be right. 'Cause I'm drowning in you and I won't pull through without you by my side. I'd give my all to have just one more night with you. I'd risk my life to feel your body next to mine. 'Cause I can't go on living in the memory of our song. I'd give my all for your love tonight. Baby, can you feel me? Imagining I'm looking in your eyes. I can see you clearly, vividly emblazoned in my mind. And yet you're so far, like a distant star, wishing on tonight. I'd give my all to have just one more night with you. I'd risk my life to feel your body next to mine. 'Cause I can't go on living in the memory of our song. I'd give my all for your love tonight.
And that was Talia giving her all with her cover of My All by Mariah Carey. So very well done on that cover. So gorgeous. And
I have a
lovely.
question though. Is there any story like hashtag Hugot pa more underneath that song?
There's no hashtag hugot in that song. I just love Mariah Carey, that's why I sang that song.
Okay.
Okay, maybe next time then. Alright, so do you have anyone you want to thank? And of course, any pages you'd like to talk about? Anything you post or something?
I just want to thank my family and friends who never fail to support me.
Okay, thank you, family and friends, for your wonderful support. Alright.
You can subscribe to our YouTube channel, Apple of the Eye, and send in your requests on our Facebook and email. They're, again, flashing over here.
Alright, of course. That's all the time that we have for today. My name is Nick.
And I'm Sha, and
And
this
of course,
is Talia.
Talia.
this week's
Apple
Apple of
of
the
the
Eye.
Eye.